Okay, picking a PACLOCK 90A Pro. Here's the lock. Here's the key. Lock opens. Locks. Let's see if we can get it picked. Pin 3. That's 5. That went 6. 1 is set. 2 might be set. 3 is set. 4, not sure. 5 is set. 6 is set. 7. Come back out to 1. 2. 3. That might have overset 4. 6. 7. Yeah, that doesn't feel quite right. There's 2 finally. 3 is good. 4 is maybe overset. Ooh, 5 was crunchy. 6. And 7. Hey! And that's an open. So we'll just set that to the side. Key can go over there. All right. Lock can go. Oh. Might as well take those out. Felt them fall. All right, lock goes there. Now, oh, getting ahead of myself. Got to get that clip off first. There it is. Clips off. Okay. There we go. Set that up there. Let's drop these pins out. There's 1. There's 2. Ah, that's not 4, that's 3. Oh, 4 is not in there, which means it's overset into the Bible. We'll pull that out in a second. There's 6. There's 7. All right, so 4 is missing, but I guarantee you it's in there. So let's just pull these out one at a time. This is 1. There's the pin and the spring. 2. Pin and spring. 3. Pin. Come on. There's the spring. Four. Come on now. Lighten the holes up. Oop. Yeah, see, a whole bunch came out all at once. So there's the key pin, driver pin, and spring for 4. It's a short pin. Looks like I overset it all the way up into the Bible. All right. There's 5. And 6. I'm really liking this follower with the hole in it. It makes things much easier. And the last one, 7. It's a really long pin. All right. And that is the PACLOCK 90A Pro, picked and gutted. Looks like we've got a spool in one. 2 has a couple of serrations. 3, also a couple of serrations. 4 is another spool. 5 is a couple of serrations. 6 is a spool. And then 7 is just that one long straight pin. You can tell that that spring is kind of working overtime. It's a little squished. The 7th pin is pretty long. But there it is. 90A Pro. Fun little lock. Thanks for watching.